I've been in Thailand for 4 days now, and there's still something that I haven't done that it's a must if you come here. And that is, I have to get in a tuk-tuk. A tuk-tuk is a very small, weird looking, colorful car that it's practically a taxi, but smaller. I haven't had the need to use a tuk-tuk because everything is pretty close together, so I can walk and save money. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna find one now, and I'm gonna show you what I like to call the tuk-tuk experience. Found ourselves a tuk-tuk. Thank you. Yeah, have a nice day. Tuk-tuk experience, 10 out of 10. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are in the beautiful city of Bangkok in Thailand. As far as I can tell, it's full of good food, very nice people, and a lot of crazy stuff to do. So follow me and let's explore Bangkok together. I wasn't allowed to take video inside, so I kind of faked it, but I couldn't talk. But if what this thing says is true, then that whole Buddha statue is actually made out of gold. It weighs 5.5 tons and it's worth 28 million pounds. Crazy. I can't begin to explain how big this Buddha is, so I tried to put somebody in the frame so you could see it for yourselves. It's huge. This has to be by far my least favorite thing about everything, just taking off your shoes and walking barefoot on the ground.